Come to the global comments in just a bit, but before that, let's take a look at how US markets ended in trade yesterday, and clearly it was a complete carnage, especially for Nasdaq, because that index ended more than 1.5% lower in trade yesterday. S&P 500 declined 0.8%, and Dow Jones also saw a cut of nearly 0.3% in trade yesterday. So US markets clearly were under pressure in yesterday's trading session. Let's also take a look at how Asian markets ended yesterday and how Asian markets have opened this morning and how European markets ended yesterday. As far as Asian markets this morning are concerned, it is turning out to be a mixed picture. Japanese market, that's Nikkei, that index is down 0.8%. Hang Seng is absolutely flat at this point in time. But on the flip side, Shanghai is trading with some bit of positive bias in today's trading session. The GIFT Nifty, however, is suggesting a 166-point cut for Indian equity markets this morning. So that's how the macro setup is for global markets. But we have to talk about commodities, especially Brent crude, because of the kind of upsurge that we have seen overnight. Brent is now trading at $84 per barrel. Remember, just yesterday in the morning, we were talking of oil at 78, 79, which is now shot up to 84. And WTI crude is now trading at $79 per barrel. A significant up move is what we have seen overnight, this morning, as well as yesterday's trading session. Let's also put the spotlight on some important comments that have come in from global leaders. And first up, US President Donald Trump, where he has said that he had an 11-hour meeting with Iran. They are a bad group of people. The Hormuz Strait is still open, and it will remain open with or without Iran. He said that we are reinstating that the Iranian blockade, so named because it is only stopping Iran's ship or customers from entering or leaving. He also said that all other countries will have fair and open use of the Strait of Hormuz. The USA will be, from this point forward, known as the guardian of the Strait of Hormuz. So that's some important commentary that has come in from US President Donald Trump. Meanwhile, US Ambassador to India has also spoken about US-India trade deal that has been in the works for quite some time. And remember, 24th July is when that tariff deadline comes to an end. US Ambassador to India has said that there's a fake news alert. No one has rejected anything. Both sides have had constructive meetings, and they have reaffirmed their commitment to finalizing a deal over the next few days. So that's some commentary that has come in with respect to US-India trade deal. Meanwhile, we also have a Fed Governor, Christopher Waller, talking about a couple of other macro economic data from the US. There is still a credible case for inflation to begin to fall back to our 2% goal, with policy at its current setting. He also said that he's concerned about the equally plausible cause that data in the coming weeks could actually turn out to be weaker than what they were penciling in. So that's the view coming in with respect to US macros, the latest commentary from US President Donald Trump, and the latest that is happening on India-US deal front. But for now, US markets have ended in the red. Asian markets are showing a mixed picture, but Indian markets could well start in the red in today's trading session.